Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
DM Electrical Tutorial.
Hello guys, long time no see, busy. I want to share to you how to fix printer, power supply, no good, 9450, okay, 9450. I will show you how to fix this power supply. Before we change power supply board, we will check the power here. We have a pair here. We have a power supply spare. Gonna check the voltage first before we're gonna change. Okay. AC. Okay, we'll open. Check here. Check the power here. volts. Check here first. 110 volt. Okay. So we have 120 volts here. So that means power cord is good. So now I'll show you how to open how to change the power board. Right? Okay. We will change the power board now. Okay. You need small Allen key. Open here. Okay, hang up. Alright, this ribbon here, you have to unplug here. Okay. This is a power supply here. Now, this is a power supply. Unplug this one first. This here. Oops. Okay. Unplug the cable here. Press this, then unplug. There's a power supply came from the plug. 110 volts here. Okay. After unplug this one, next this one unplug also. Press this one here behind, then wiggle. Alright, unplug. Ready, unplug it. Now, loose this board. Okay, then pull out. See that? Pull out. Okay, it goes out. Alright, this is the power board. No good. Okay, now we need this spare power supply. So we have to put same way. To put this way. Put the board here first. Two board here. Okay, then back. Then this one here, power cord, power supply, plug in. Plug in nice. Alright, and next one, plug in here. This is going to main board, power supply. Alright, make sure don't bend the pin. Okay, right, beautiful. And the supply for cooling fan motor here. That's it. Make sure, shake it. Okay, make sure tight. Now, okay, now tight. Okay, tight this. It won't come out. Okay. 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 Double check. Right? And next one. This one is here. So I need to put pin parallel. Alright? This way. So before put this one here, make sure fix first. Alright, put this here, then close it. Okay, put the bolt. Right. Hello. Long time no see, guys. Sorry, I was busy. One more here. Alright. Now we will try. We will try the power now. Please. Alright. There we go. We have power now. Oh, fix. See? Now fix. Yeah, big power now. Power is on now, guys. Fix. This is the old one here. This is the old one, no good power supply, alright? Loading, please wait. Alright, I will wait. Let's see. Beautiful. That's easy how to fix. This is methyl acetone. Ink, this is methyl acetone. Okay? Solvent. Methyl ethyl ketone. Methyl ethyl ketone is our solvent. Same this one. Markem image. Alright, loading, please wait. Now power now is there too. Right, previous printer shutdown not completed. Okay. How to do? Exit, clear the port. Alright, it's good. Now power is okay, turn on. Do you want to start the printer? Of course, yes or no? Of course, yes. Alright, start up in progress. Just wait. Start up and progress. Alright, so you can monitor. over here. Okay, now we can see here, startup in progress, head operation, still stop because still in progress. Just wait for a while. Let's see. So that's the way how to change the power supply. Okay guys, now you know how to change power supply, how to change it. Still stop. When we see this number here, okay, cartridge not exactly plug in. Okay, why? Something here. All right, not plug in. Okay, not plug in. Clear the warning. Should be okay now. Stop. Okay, cool. Start out in progress. Can we go back there? Okay guys, fixed now. Working good. See? Beautiful. I will show you how to calibrate the screen. Okay.